Example 2. A couple things I want you to do with this one. First of all, take a look, same formula, but take a look where there isn't a height that you can go perpendicular from the vertex. Here's your vertex. Can you go straight down into the base? No. So sometimes the base has to be extended, right? Actually, could you go straight up here? Sure, but then this has to be extended, and that doesn't always work. So you want to know that the top vertex should come down to the base, so it's perpendicular, and then it has to be extended, but remember, you're only figuring out the base as what's in the colored area, okay? Next thing I want you to think about is how you figure out the answer to 1/2 base times height. Calculator, not available. So there are different methods to doing it. Just think of a couple that could be done and how you actually figure it out. Some people take 1/2 of 12, multiply it times 9 in this case, so they don't have to deal with, since 9 is an odd number, they don't really have to deal with decimals. So there are different ways to figure this out. Okay, that was pretty simple for example 2, so we're gonna move into example 3. All right, example 3 is the base and height of the red butterfly wing are 2 times greater than the base and height of the blue butterfly wing. How many times greater is the area of the red wing than the area of the blue wing? Notice, when you're doing an example, always write your formula. Then I want you to insert the variables. So you're going to substitute 2 for the base, because the wings are the shape of triangles, and 1 for the height. Take a look at that blue wing. 2 is the base, and then perpendicular is 1. And then you multiply this out. 2 times 1 is 2. Half of that is 1. 1 centimeter squared. It's not 1 centimeter squared. Okay, sorry, I'm jumping ahead. Then you take in the red wing, putting in the area for the formula. You then get 4 centimeters squared. Here's what happens. It's not 4 centimeters greater. Look back into your problem, and it says how many times greater. So because 4 divided by 1 is 4, the area of the red wing is 4 times greater. So watch the wording you use. What I'd like you to do next is the on your own. When you're done with the on your own, come back for the answers. Make sure you write out the formula. The answer for on your own number 3 is 60 centimeters squared, and you should have every step listed as it was in this problem. And number 4 is 9 times greater. Now what I want you to do is I want you to click on the triangles on the right, example 1, example 2, and it will take you to the videos. And you are done with example 3.